Hello kids, let's learn some colors. Pink color, red color, dark green color, light blue color, blue color, yellow color, light green color, orange color, brown color, black color. A for apple. A for apple. B for ball. B for ball. C for cat. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fish. G for gorilla. G for gorilla. H for hen. H for hen. I for igloo. J for juice. J for juice. K for kite. K for kite. L for lion. L for lion. M for monkey. M for monkey. N for nose. N for nose. O for orange. O for orange. P for pigeon. P for pigeon. Q for coil. R for rabbit. S for sun. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for van. V for van. W for watch. W for watch. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Bye bye.